In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for KPI reporting slides fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool for tracking the popularity of search topics over time, and it's particularly useful for understanding trends that are key to your performance indicators. Whether you're preparing a report for stakeholders or trying to gain insights into emerging interests, Google Trends can provide the data you need. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head to Google Trends by opening your browser and searching for it. When you see the first link to Google Trends, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the home page of Google Trends, where you can start your exploration. Once you're there, look for the Explore option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. The Explore section is a comprehensive interface where you can enter specific keywords related to your business, campaign, or industry. For example, you might type in phrases like sustainable fashion, AI tools, or vegan protein. These are the terms you'll be tracking. After entering your chosen keywords, go ahead and hit Enter. This will produce a graph showing the interest level of your chosen keywords over time. You might notice peaks and troughs in search interest. Keep an eye out for any seasonal trends or fluctuations that could impact your KPIs. Next, let's refine this data to suit your reporting needs. Apply filters to focus the results more precisely. You can narrow it down by location if you're tracking particular regions, or adjust the time range to your reporting period, such as the last 30 days or the past year. You can also select a category that's relevant to your niche, like shopping or finance, and choose the type of search you want to focus on, such as web search, YouTube, or news. Now let's look at the interest over time graph. This graph is an excellent visual aid for showing how search interest in your keywords has grown or declined. It's perfect for capturing search demand trends or identifying whether interest is seasonal or driven by specific campaigns. You can even compare your brand with competitors over a certain period. After that, scroll down to the Related Queries section. This is where you'll find two main insights: rising searches, which indicate emerging opportunities, and top searches, suggesting stable, ongoing demand. For instance, you might discover that searches for AI video editing increased by 220% this quarter, a valuable insight for any KPI report. Finally, let's talk about how to use this data in custom charts. Click on the download icon to export your data as a CSV file. Once downloaded, you can import this data into Google Sheets, Excel, or Data Studio to create trend lines, category comparisons, and regional heat maps that will enrich your KPI reporting slides. There you have it, a straightforward way to incorporate Google Trends into your KPI reporting, making it both fast and easy. Good luck and happy trend tracking.